Okay guys, we're going to make some string eggs here. I've covered them on the blog. I'm going to do them on a video this time. You're going to want these little tiny water balloon type balloons. And since these can be really hard to blow up, you're going to want a balloon blower. You can get both of these things at the Dollar Tree if you have a Dollar Tree by you, or you could probably find them also in Walmart or Target or something like that. I'm just going to put this on the end, and you're going to blow them up to like an egg shape, okay? Anyway, so, okay, that's what it was. I didn't take it off, but I'm going to make them, you can make them various sizes and play around with them. I've made ones that were bigger, but you see they have this nice little egg shape. Okay, so I'll do this one now that I know it doesn't have a hole in it. Just had to hold it. It's a little bigger. This is another size. So you're going to you're statically charged. I'm going to blow up a bunch of balloons, and then we're going to get together a glue mixture. So I'm going to blow up some more balloons, and I'll get back to you guys. You don't have to sit here and watch me do this, and some of you might have phobias of the balloons popping. Okay guys, so I've got the balloons blown. I've got enough to get started here. We're going to make a mixture of 2 parts glue and 1 part water. So I'm going to go get that ready now. Okay, I'm going to show you what I have here. This is the white glue, just Elmer's glue. Okay, basic Elmer's glue. Like this, you know, school glue. 2 parts glue, 1 part water. I'm doing 2 containers because my kids, I'm going to try to see if they help. I know the last time I tried this, my one son it was too sticky or too gross or whatever it was. Didn't like it, so I like to do it, but we'll see. And I'm going to do 1 for you now. So I'm going to put some water in here, and I'm just going to mix it up. Some people, I don't know if I did it with Mod Podge last time, but you could do that as well, I think. So you'll see it has kind of the consistency of a Mod Podge. All right, live and learn. I thought those would be like really nice, but not so much. So with the nice thing about twine, because it's so thin, you can actually coat the balloon. Put this up here. Coat the balloon like this with the glue and just wrap, and then you can just like put, that's why I like the twine so much, because you can just go over and stick some of it in, but with so much glue like this, it just gets on there and it's easy to wrap. So this is going to be a 2-tone. I'm going to wrap this with some silver. Now I'm going to go over it and make sure that it's coated. Okay. Alright, now grab some of this pink, and it's easier to just coat my fingers and just put it onto the twine as I am unrolling it. parts that don't have a lot of twine, so keep the shape more stable once you pop the balloon when it's dry. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm kind of going around and winding it. Where grab a little Mod Podge, and I think I would rather just put that on, spread it on with my finger, like that. Just to make sure it's nice and coated, and then it'll be sealed, and I think it'll be really nice. I think I might have done this in the past, but this dries clear, remember. Okay, really quick, I'm going to show you, these are dry, totally dry, very hard to the touch. Now you'll see that this one has less, like I said, you can do them with more or less, and I've got just a matte pen here. You don't have to be afraid because it doesn't pop the way you would think it is. It just, you see, kind of slowly loses air, and then you can kind of, might even get a little bit adhered, and it takes a little doing. Like I've got the little thing like that, I can pull it and pull the balloon out, and you'll see it's held its shape. Now this one has less, and this one was the one with the 3 different colors, so it doesn't have that horrible pop. It's like a crackle. And just hold on to the end of it so you can pull it right out. It got a little bit stuck up here, so hopefully I can just grab it. Let me see if I can just get it with the pen. Yep, there we go. And that's out. And you'll see, even though this has less, it still held its shape, and I could hang it from here. Oops. Hang it from here. Okay, sometimes people want to put a little, maybe you could even fill it through this hole when you don't have it as wide with some candy and things. Put them at everyone's place is what I think I might do. I'm going to make a few more of these, and maybe I will fill them and then put them as place markers. Now this one, I could fill it too, like the Mod Podge that I threw on there almost made like a shell, but if I just go like that, it pokes right out. So, and I can still string that right through there. But those are 2 string eggs. Wanted to show you the finished product on that, and we have a lot of giveaways on the blog, so keep up to date on that, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Hope you like this. Let me know if you try it. Please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know your thoughts. Take care.